In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram messages not showing. Now open up your Instagram, tap on these three lines, scroll down. You're gonna see messages and story replies. Tap on it. So tap on the message request, come on here and make sure this is currently turned off. Who can send you message request? Turn it everyone. Who can send the group? Just change this to everyone and make sure you turn off this hide unwanted message request. So once you're done with this, you need to go to your settings. You need to offload the app. So you need to come and you need to type in you need to type in storage. Storage. So the third option, iPhone storage. Wait for this to load up. Once it is done, come on in from the search, type in Instagram. Yeah. So tap on the offload app, then delete the app, reinstall it. Everything is going to start working perfectly well for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.